Strings in Python have a splitlines method. But why does the splitlines method exist? Couldn't we just pass a newline character to the split method? Let's say we have some text that came from a file. If we wanted to split this text up into lines, we could use the string splitlines method. That works, but why does that splitlines method exist? Couldn't we just pass \n to the string split method instead? While splitting on a line feed character will often work, I recommend using the string splitlines method instead, because the splitlines method handles common scenarios that the split method doesn't. Let's say we have some text that was retrieved from a database, and the original text came from a form submission in a web browser. Web browsers often represent line breaks as a carriage return character followed by a line feed character, and that's what we see in our text, \r followed by \n. If we use the string split method to split by \n, we would see that each line ends in a carriage return character. That's kind of confusing. If your application reads text from different sources and you don't deliberately normalize your line endings, you may end up with a mix of different line endings for different types of text. It's unfortunately common for some text in an application to use \n line endings, while other text uses \r\n line endings. The splitlines method properly splits on all line endings. Our lines don't end with a carriage return anymore. If all external text read by your application comes from either user input or text files, your line endings may already be normalized to use a single line feed character. But there's another common issue that often crops up when splitting text into lines: trailing new lines. There's a common convention that text files should end with a newline character. This makes it easier to append to the end of a file. Here's text that we've read from a file. Note that this text ends with a line feed character. If we use the string split method to split this text into lines, we'll end up with a blank line at the end. We could avoid this by using the string rstrip method or the remove suffix method to remove the final newline character and then use the split method. Or we could just use the splitlines method. The splitlines method is aware of this common convention, and it will automatically remove a trailing newline character if it finds one. So the next time you need to split a string into lines, don't use the string split method. Use the splitlines method. The splitlines method will split on any line ending, and it'll remove a final newline if there is one.